Hey everyone! Welcome back to English with Akib. Today I'm going to teach you 10 simple English phrases that you can use every single day to sound confident. Let's go! 1. How's it going? A casual way to say, how are you? Example, hey John, how's it going? 2. I'm good, thanks. A simple reply to, how are you? 3. Excuse me. Use this when you want someone's attention politely. Example, excuse me, can you help me? 4. I don't understand. Perfect when you didn't get something. Example, sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat? 5. Can you help me? Super useful when you need assistance. 6. What do you mean? When someone says something confusing. 7. I'm learning English. Let people know you're improving your skills. 8. Nice to meet you, for introductions. 9. See you later, casual goodbye. 10. Thank you so much, always polite, always useful. And that's it. Try using these 10 phrases today, and your English will sound more natural. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Akib for more tips. See you in the next video.